Johann Scherrer is a Swiss snowboarder. He was born on July 11, 1994 in Wildhaus-Alt, Johann, Switzerland. In 2022 Winter Olympics, he won bronze medal in men's halfpipe snowboarding. He is a two-time Olympian, representing Switzerland at the 2014 Winter Olympics in Sochi and the 2018 Winter Olympics in Pyongchang. He has started snowboarding at age 7 in Wolzenalp. He was finishing second at the 2020 US Open. He won 2021 World Championships half-pipe bronze medalist. He won landed first Swiss backside alley-oop double cork 900 in 2021. He won 2020 X Games half-pipe bronze medalist. He won 2014 National Slopestyle Champion. He won 2011 Junior World Championship Slopestyle bronze medalist. At Aspen 2020, Johann Scherrer claimed Superpipe bronze, his first X Games medal. It was also his first appearance since 2016. He is a member of the strong Swiss halfpipe team that also includes Pat Borgener and Lori Patlat-Chekhov. He won his first FIS Cup World Cup event at Secret Garden, China in 2018. Known for his innovative alley-oop style tricks, watch for his new switch backside alley-oop double cork 900 in 2021.